Welcome this video. Gardening bed idea. Create solve for your father friend. When we think of choosing it for animal, champ or dog night can meet first. Best of those rustic gardening provide a centrable bed is requested impactful gardening with those layout size and more requested thoughtful design bed that supported their need for comfort, soft and brink. Whether your home stick, stick going for edge much hobby or just love animal, create gardening bed can enhance your first health happiness. Here are a various gardening bed idea that step up to create district project. Simple squaring. The more traditional want your gardening bed, the basic canvas of your cook. Stream in nature, boarding valve. Benefit affordable beyond and easy to main entrance. Rustic gardening platform bed. Rustic gardening can benefit for during elevate surface with white traditional wood to create a platform 4 to 6 inch above the ground. Add low fence area the edge to key stream material consider when it's work elevate the bed help key its impact versatile under north and rate explored in much pen idea incorporating hand later to allow for easy clean and refine and build material. If you look for a quick solved a long plans story, consider dog created can be repurposed into a rustic bed spotted can outdoor versatile hobby. Wide explored one. Layout the bed often wide shape plants to create indoor cover rain and crop idea for a temperature or mobile setup from impact